Hey, what's up, Herd? It's Friday, February 21st. My name is Aaron, and this is your market update. We had a crazy hour in the market. ByBit just got hacked for $1.4 billion of ETH, guys. So the ETH price could be in jeopardy because of this, but the entire market is reacting currently. Bitcoin was just about to get up to $100,000 and slammed down to 97 within an hour, which is crazy to see. ETH dropped from about 28.50 all the way down to 26.92 within a very, very short time as well. We are seeing a bounce in the price currently, but it is definitely hard to see as we were expecting to break out above 28.50 this morning on ETH and hopefully getting above 100,000 for Bitcoin this morning. Looking at the liquidity heat map here, let's refresh to see what we've got here. Bitcoin has been taking out short liquidity all the way up to about $99,000 right now, guys. It does look like we've got some black holes above and below the price, though. I do think we have more liquidity on the short side above 100,000, but we also have some liquidations down to the bottom side here at around 93, which I could see this happening, especially if we get some nasty news because of this hack. Looking at Ethereum on this as well, we did have some liquidity, long liquidity, below 2,700, as I think a lot of people expected ETH to start breaking out above 28.50 here. But we did slam right down into it, guys, bounced off of it currently. Let's see what happens over the next 24 to 48 hours. We do have some long liquidity down here at 26.05 and not a ton above us, guys. So if we do get above 28.50 again, we could see some smooth sailing all the way up to about $3,100, which I do think is the next line of resistance. Speaking of resistance, XRP has repeatedly bounced off of its resistance around $2.75, guys. I would like to see this turn around, though. Whale money flow is super high on this, and we could be rolling over to the downside unless the rest of the market continues up. BNB looking similar to XRP, coming up against resistance at about $663 currently, could roll over on that. Though I am in general looking for the market to go up, especially with BNB getting a higher high, breaking a resistance line to the upside with a wick just about a week and a half ago. And just about every one of the blue chips is running up against the moving averages now. So if we can break through this, I do think we'll see some momentum to the upside. Solana being the exception to this, it's well below its moving averages, guys, all the way down at $174 currently with a floor around $162. SWI running up against its moving averages, guys, right around $3.50. We did get above that this morning at $3.56. That's a really nice bounce from the floor here. We have set a floor of about $2.95. So that's about 20% plus up over the last 3 to 4 days. BTC dominance has been pretty consistent for the last 4 days, guys, bouncing off of the EMA here. I would love to see this continue to roll over to the downside, and it does look like whale money flow continues out of BTC dominance, so that is a good sign. But it does have to get through the averages here, and I do think if this starts to happen, if we get it past the EMA into the SMA, we could see some nice runs from altcoins. Overall, we're seeing a lot of volatility today with this news of the hack, and it is great to see for those of us who are farmers in this space. If you're farming on any of the dexes, guys, whether you're in Cetus on the SWI network, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or the new Shadow Dex on the Sonic network, which has generated a ton of fees for liquidity providers, I do wish you luck with all of this volatility. And last but not least, guys, make sure you get into the official Telegram for the Elephant Money ecosystem. Do check out what BT is cooking up. We've got more details soon to come, guys. BT is cooking something that you're not going to want to miss. And that's all I've got for you this week, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. We'll see you next week with another update. Have a great week, and God bless.